is up there, SEO pros? Welcome back. Today we're going to go over how to fix site-wide on-page issues in our SEO roadmap template version 1.5. Now, if you don't have version 1.5, you can get it on the site. It is now uploaded. However, we are going to keep updating it. So if you want to buy the roadmap, you can get it and get all of the future updates as well. Also, we're going to have the future updates in here with the actual explainer on how to run this roadmap in the near future. So let's go into how to fix the site-wide on-page issues. So if you guys watch the first part, which is how to fix the issues in this column, you'll see on the next column it is, on how to identify them, you'll see in the next column is the how to fix. So after you have identified all of these different issues, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go and see what these different issues are. So for instance, say we found that we have title tags that are too short. So hopefully if you guys followed this tutorial, you'll see that you've documented all of the different things that are too short in terms of title tags. So I'm going to show you how to fix those now. So for this tutorial, we're going to do this on WordPress and on Squarespace. If you're using a different content management system, I'm sorry, but I can't help you. So first we're going to start with WordPress. So let's go log into one of our sites. Oh shoot, hold on. Let me log into a different site. Here we go. So actually, I'm going to do this by order. So we'll start out with missing alt tags. So in here, we had our URLs, I think, documented. I guess I deleted them because I wanted to clear the template because this was the template that people were going to be using. But for this one, you'll see that usually, from the last video, there will be all of the different missing image alt tags as we uploaded from this part. So you're just going to click on that document. It's going to take you to all the images that are missing alt tags from the Screaming Frog upload, which we'll just grab. And we won't grab it. And then, so say we find a missing image alt tag. What we're going to do is we're going to take that image that we found, and we're going to go over to Media. And we're just going to look for the image. So say it's, image.jpg or something. We're going to find that image, click on it, and then we're going to go ahead and go to the alt text and change it. We're going to say Tulo box. That's it. So once that's done, you just click somewhere and it'll save. So now it's saved, and now there's an alt tag on that image. You're going to follow, just keep doing for the other ones. Cool. So let's go to the next one. We're going to go back to here. Image file URL. So for this one, we're going to look at the different image file URLs that we found that don't have the correct file URL. Say it's just like image.jpg. We want to change it to the actual name. For that, what we can do is we can go ahead and take the image. So edit image. We're going to save the image as, and then we're going to name it whatever we want to name it. So Everlay logo. Save. And then what we can do is just go ahead and upload it back. Of course, we're going to have to re-put this back into the page if we are changing the image. So say we wanted to go change the image on a certain page. In the export, there should actually be the page that the image is on. So what we'll do to get that is let's just go to our drive and go find that. And I do apologize, I had all of the different file uploads from the last tutorial in here, but like I said, I deleted them because of the fact that I was using this as the downloadable template. So anyways, if we go into all images right here, which is this is the one that would be linked right here. Right, oops, there. And say we want to go for this one, right? Unnamed 33, right? So then we could just find the URL, grab it, and then go to it on the website. And then that would be the one with the URL that we want to change. And then all you have to do to change it, I can figure out where I just went with the website. I thought I had it. Here, let me go back over here. Now all you have to do to change it is you just go into the page. We'll go to something like something with a image on it. Go over here. So we'll take that, edit, sorry, not edit, delete. Well, actually, we want to get the file, the image name first, right? Edit original. There it is. Save as. And then you would name it, you know, bed woman sleeping on bed. Now you can get rid of that. Add media. Upload files. Woman sleeping on bed. And then if you wanted to, you could also put this in there as the alt text, and then we just insert it back, put the actual size, full size. It looks like we accidentally saved the wrong size of it, so let me go. What we could actually do is, if you accidentally do that, instead of doing it that way, you just go in save image as from the original image like that. Cool, so that's how you replace the image with the correct file URL. Just make sure you do it in the page, and that's how you change the alt tag. All right, let's go to the next section. So the next one we have is title tag cannibalization. So if you guys remember from the last tutorial, we found all of the title tags that were, you know, overlapping with each other. So if we found, for instance, if we went into SiteLiner and we ran a analysis on our sleep guide, like this, and we found, you know, some of the title tags are overlapping, which we can just click into here. This would be actually more for duplicate content. If we went into Screaming Frog and we found that some of the title tags were overlapping, like for instance, say these were the title tags and they all had the phone number or something in it, or they all say the same thing, we would just take those and we would take them and put them in here so we can document them. And as you can see, well, actually, we didn't put them in there, but for that, all you have to do is just find the URLs that have title tags that are cannibalizing each other, and you're just going to go to those URLs. So we would go back into our website, go to Pages, and then you would go to whatever the title tag is that's cannibalizing the other one. So say it's this one. Then you're going to go into Yoast, and then you're going to go ahead and change the title tag. Unless you have a different content manager or a different SEO plugin, you're going to use whatever that is. So not duplicate title now. I'm going to upload also a playlist for the different things that you're going to want to set up on a website as well. So that will be an extension that I'm going to have to put in here. So I'm going to say right here, if implementing changes, follow this guide beforehand. And then I'll have a different insert Excel spreadsheet with tutorial. All right, cool. So that's how you look for the duplicate title tags and fix them. Next, we have title tags that are too short. So obviously, you're just going to sort by the different title tags. Go into Yoast, change it just like you would with title tag cannibalization. Same thing with title tags being too long. For the missing meta descriptions, you just go into Yoast and then just change the meta descriptions here. Meta description no longer missing. You want to make sure you press update, of course. Next, we got meta descriptions including phone numbers, you would just take those out, and then meta keywords to get rid of those. You would just go into your site wherever it's using meta keywords. Sometimes it's using them in Yoast, and let me go into that if you guys want to see. So say you do have meta keywords set up in Yoast or something, you would just go click on it. You'd go to advanced, I believe. I think they changed the layout. It might be on titles and metas now. Other, and then use meta keywords tags. So you want to make sure that's disabled. So that's for the site-wide stuff for now. There will be more in the future as we improve this roadmap. So make sure you guys stay tuned for version 2 that's coming out in the near future, and the later versions if you're watching this even later. So if that was helpful for some of you guys, if you want to get the checklist, just make sure you go to the link in the description and go ahead and grab it. All right, guys. Until I see y'all next time, happy SEOing.